Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is square root of x over 1 minus x plus square root of 1 minus x over x is equal to 13 over 6 to find the values of x. In the first step, in here, we let square root of x over 1 minus x as k. So, in here, we can write this as the square root of x over the square root of 1 minus x, right? We write this in this form is equal to k. And in here, we reciprocal both sides equation, and it will be the square root of 1 minus x over the square root of x is equal to 1 over k, right? So in here, we can write this as the square root of 1 minus x over x is equal to 1 over k. So, from these two equations, we rewrite this equation and it will be in here, the square root of x over 1 minus x is k, and the square root of 1 minus x over x is 1 over k. So we write in here k plus 1 over k is equal to 13 over 6. So, in here, we multiply both sides of the equation by k, so we multiply by k, it will be k times k, it will be k squared, plus 1 over k times k, it will be 1, is equal to 13 over 6 times k, it will be 13 over 6 k. And here we have 13 over 6, and we multiply both sides of the equation by 6. So we multiply by 6, it will be 6k squared, plus 1 times 6 is 6, is equal to 13 over 6 times 6, it will be 13k. And in here, we take this 13k to this side, and it will be 6k squared minus 13k and plus 6 is equal to 0. So in here we have a quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is k is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of k squared is 6, and b is coefficient of k is negative 13, and c is constant is 6. So in here, k is equal to negative b, negative 13, it will be positive 13, plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 13 squared, it will be 169, and minus 4 times a is 6, and times c is 6, over 2a, 2 times 6, it will be 12. And in here, k is equal to 13 plus or minus square root of 169 minus 4 times 6, it will be 24, and 24 times 6, it will be 144 over 12. And it will be k is equal to 13 plus or minus square root of 169 minus 144, it will be 25 and over 12. And it will be 13 plus or minus square root of 25 is 5 over 12. So in here we have two values for k. K is equal to 13 plus 5, it will be 18 over 12, and k is 13 minus 5, it will be 8 over 12, right? So in here we can write this, we divide numerator and denominator by 6, so it will be, this is equal to 3 over 2, right? So in here k is 3 over 2, and we recall this square root of x over 1 minus x is equal to k. So we write in here square root of x over 1 minus x is equal to k, right? So from here, square root of x over 1 minus x is equal to k, and k is 3 over 2, right? And here, we square both sides of this equation, so this to power of 2, this square root will cancel, and it will be x over 1 minus x is equal to, and this to power of 2, it will be 9 over 4, right? And here, we use cross multiplication, which is this times this, and this times this, right? So, it will be 4 times x, it will be 4x is equal to 9 times 1 minus x, it will be 9 minus 9x, right? So in here, we take this negative 9x to this side, it will be 4x plus 9x, it will be 13x is equal to 9. And we divide both of the equation by 13, and it will be this divided by 13 and this divided by 13. So x is equal to, okay, this will cancel this, and x is equal to 9 over 13, right? So this is our first answer, and in here, this is 9 over 13, and here k is 8 over 12, so we write k is equal to, in here we can divide numerator and denominator by 4, so it will be 2 over 3, right? And k is equal to the square root of x over 1 minus x, so we write this is the square root of x over 1 minus x is equal to k, 2 over 3. And here, we square both sides of the equation, so x over 1 minus x is equal to 2 over 3 to power of 2, it will be 4 over 9. So in here, we use cross multiplication, this times this and this times this, so it will be 9x is equal to 4 times 1 minus x, it will be 4 minus 4x. So in here, we take this 4x, negative 4x to this side, so it will be positive 4x. 9 plus 4x, it will be 13x is equal to 4. And from here, x is equal to 4 over 13. And this is our second answer. So our final answer for x is equal to 9 over 13 and 4 over 13. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.